What's up everybody, I hope you are doing good, and in this video I will be telling you how you can change your account email in Ubisoft website. For that, the process is pretty simple. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. For that, first thing is go to the Google search bar and search Ubisoft website. So once you're on their website, all you have to do is to go and click on their website page and log in with your account. So here you guys can see that I have logged in with my official account over here. So all I have to do is to go and click on account management tab right over here to get to change my email account. So once you're on the account management page, all you have to go is to go to account information right over here. So in the account information, all you have to do is to go over here, which it says edit, and click on this button. Here you will see a change button over here right next to your email account. So go and click on change button. Here it will say that an email with a link to change your email address will be sent to your current email address. So just click on send button. So here you guys can see that it says, hi, you have made a request to change your email address. To complete the process, please click here. So for that, all I have to do is just click here over. So once you have entered the link using that email address, it will just ask you to add a new email. So if I write a new email address over here and click on change email button, the email address will be changed. So that's how you can change the email address using the Ubisoft website. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.